Hey friends, welcome back to Mimi's Mixed Bag. If this is your first video and you like what you see, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm participating in a fun collab hosted by Michelle from My Everyday Wife Life. We've been friends for years on YouTube, and along with some others, we are decorating our porches for fall. Now, we've lived in this house for almost a month, and my front porch has just kind of been a catch-all and neglected because I knew fall was coming and I didn't want to do anything for summer for just a short time. I'm going to remove all that you see here. These are just some pots and odds and ends brought over from the old house. The flower beds definitely need some attention. Not sure what I'm going to do with that monkey grass, and I'm going to give this hydrangea to my daughter, but I do know this big green overgrown bush has got to go. And I'm going to probably plant some fall flowers just to get me to spring. So I just want to give you a little before shot so I can get this porch ready for the fall.